Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ashi's Diary. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to prepare urad dal roti or dibba rote which we call. This can be prepared with vada batter. For preparing vada, more oil is consumed for deep fry. While preparing urad dal roti, less oil is consumed and it is very healthy and it gives strength to our backbone. In this video, I am going to show you two types of urad dal roti. One is very basic and simple version and the other one is spice urad dal roti. Quickly getting to the recipe. For this, here I take 2 cups of urad dal, wash thoroughly and soak in water for 6 hours. After then add it to the blender. To this add salt as per taste you have to add. Cover and grind it like vada batter. That means do not add any water. See, the consistency is like this. Shift it into a bowl. Now heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon oil. When oil get heat, add 2 curry scoops of batter. Spread it evenly as a thick layer. The basic urad dal roti is thick. Cover and cook till one side become little brown. Make sure the flame is low. It may take 5 minutes. Now flip the roti and cook the other side around 6 minutes in low flame. Urad dal roti or dibba rote is ready to serve. Like this, prepare another roti. Pour the batter and spread it. I usually spread it with my hand. I am very comfortable with my hand, but you may take care while spreading with hand. The same way, cook the roti. It can be served hot with peanut chutney. For preparing peanut chutney, in a pan add 1 cup peanuts, dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame. After then add 8 to 10 green chilies. Adjust spice as per your taste. To this add a small amount of tamarind and roast for 5 minutes. Add cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Now switch off the flame and let it cool. When it cool completely, then add it to the blender. To this add 1 tablespoon salt. You may adjust the salt as per your taste. Add 5 garlic cloves. Grind it like a smooth paste by adding enough water. For tempering, to a kadai, add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and curry leaves some. Roast for 2 minutes in low flame. Then add it to the peanut chutney. Peanut chutney is ready. The another way of urad dal roti is soak 2 cups of urad dal for 6 hours. After then add it to the blender. To this add green chilies and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Add salt as per your taste. Grind it. Now heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon oil. When oil get heat, added the 2 scoops of batter. Spread it and cook on both sides for 5 minutes in very low flame. Urad dal roti is ready. Hope you are all like these recipes. If so, like, share and comment me. Do try out the recipes. If you are new to Ashi's Diary, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more tasty and healthy recipes. The all ingredients list are given in the description box. Do check out, and thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay home.